Yeah, good morning. In this session, we'll discuss, like till now, we have covered this Q&A point of view. Like if you go to IT, ERP, SAP details, recent topics, SAP in detail discussion is going on. You go through that. I will post few other have recorded, but I have to post those things. Today I'll post it. So you completely go through the SAP versions, SAP kind of technical, functional, techno-functional areas who are eligible and all those stuff, right? So anyone have any questions till now? Because almost we have posted. You have to go through both the sessions point of view. ABAP session 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 posted. That is one time, two times you have to refer if you are a fresher. But Q&A sessions, at least one time is enough. That's a kind of okay discussion and a kind of missing topics I am covering here. But both are important only. Yes, you just prepare the notes, whatever you feel important for you. Okay, so because since this is named as yeah, Durga Prasad also joined, right? Good. So this now. Anyone have any questions? Till now 11, 12, almost 11 plus 5, 15 above uh, video sessions are posted. Okay, anyone has
Sir,
any? Okay,
can you please give overview of session number 11 once again?
no, that 11, what is the main 11 overview? 11 named for? I forgot it.
SAP introduction.
Introduction, what are the things?
SAP overview, you have mentioned subject.
No, no, subject, okay. In that, I think I'll open this note. Suppose if we go to the SAP session 11, right?
Hmm.
Session 11 covers. I think it's very simple. What exactly SAP is? SAP full form, company details, and all uh, captions, tagline, hinter headquarters, and how the company formed and who started this company, product versions, all versions. One by one, one after another. Versions I covered year by year. And yeah, these things only. But see, because we cannot revise everything again. But going see in the next today's sessions, through you will understand the previous session because something, few things you may not catch at the initial level. But when you go to the next level, you will understand previous topic because all interrelated. And the second thing is you keep on revise it, you will come to know. Suppose what is HANA and all, I have not explained. But one day I will come ECC, ERP also, I have not explained all those things. Actually, you will understand this all these things after architecture topic only. Because then only you will understand. This is initial introduction. For freshers' point of view, it's a lot of confusion also sometimes. But still, I want to go in a standardized way. That's why I introduce even these techno-functional areas are also covered in today's session. Okay, I'll post it today. Software, hardware details also covered. You will understand in detail later. Okay, right. For this, okay, thank you, Suresh. Right. So, if others have any questions, anybody can unmute and ask in Q&A with respect to the covered topic, most preferably. If not, I have prepared one topic. I'll because I got two questions. That is the questions in the WhatsApp group also offline. They are asking. So, kind of inputs or information required on two aspects. One is like I will write it in this notepad. So, like how to become the best consultant or okay what will be our goal or objective target after joining in a company, or at the same time best trainer also. Two dimensions I will cover. Trainer part we'll see later, but consulting is our main topic. Today I'm going to discuss this another 50 minutes. Just okay, this is very very important. Suppose I'll go back to our previous topic. Suppose you are a fresher graduate. I'll come from the beginning. You are a academic fresher, college fresher. You just came out, passed out from 2025. So you got job as a industry. You started journey with industry as a. Our target is you joined as a SAP ABAP consultant. We'll consider that because we are more focused on our topic only, connected topic. So you are 24 passed out, 23 passed out also, but you got a job as a fresher job. You as a consultant. That is your initial job, first job, initial break. Then what will be the next journey? How this journey will continue? Yes. Okay. Because in college days you were dreaming of the company. Yes, you achieved it. Yes, this is fulfilled. You joined in a company, level 5 company, IBM, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, etc. Top MNCs companies. But there your SAP journey will continue with project 1, project 2, and so on. But then because we have to keep our goals, only the first goal is fulfilled. We have to, what will be the next goal? Without goals, we will be blank because we don't know which direction we are moving and all. So always goals will give the guidance, roadmap, route map, and the kind of once our roadmap is there, then we can execute the sequence and steps. And so because based on my experience, out of 20 years experience, how I planned it and I achieved it. Also, I can just try to brief it. So after that, what will be the goal? First of all, we can keep it. Okay. So first of all, we joined in IBM, Wipro, Accenture, like TCS, Capgemini, or Tech Mahindra, etc. Any company you take it. So we joined here as a employee, right? Yes. Employer is company name. Employee we comes under employees. So if you are a employee, yes, we can keep it as a best employee because there is a award and rewarding system. Best employees are recognized in a company. Yes. So best employee for company standpoint. Okay. Yes. That is, we can say that best performer or top performer or star performer like that. Okay. These are all, okay. Yes. Like that. This is one of the way. But once you go to the uh, project point of view, you can be a best, good, better, best. The superlative degree is best. I'm using the last one only, high level. Okay, you can start with good, then move to better level, then finally the best level. Okay, top level, high level, final level. So best consultant we can keep. So organization point of view, yes, this is our employer, and your performance in project point of view, you are working in project by project. Every project, there is a awarding systems are there. Awarding, rewarding, some kind of motivation point of view. They will give certificate also. Okay, they'll send appreciation mails also. In interview, they will ask, do you have any kind of client appreciation in the previous projects? So that's why, because client facing skills, client interaction skills, also unique skills and client handling skills, finally we can call it as. So when client gives appreciation, that gives lot of weightage, the client appreciation mail also. So that is when the year end review happens. At that time it is going to help us for the uh, promotion purpose or hike. the salary also. Okay, this is so we can target like this because like every company have their own employees and among that best employee we can prove it and year by year. Otherwise, every client account also, project also, we have consultants among them. We can perform our team point of view also. We can perform the best. Okay, so that is our first this thing. Suppose if you are a technical consultant, a BAP consultant. So if you are technical point of view, we talk lot of additional courses you can do it. Okay, you started with a normally positions designations differs from okay consultant and as well as next move on to the senior consultant. Okay, then we can move to the manager level. Then we can go to the senior manager level. Also, we can proceed further like this. Then finally, you can go to the multiple dimensions. Finally, we can keep it as a technical architect or else solution architect. This is, we consider it as solution architect. We consider this as a high level. So you started with normal first project, second project through getting team member to team lead role. Next, manager role and all. Finally, you can go to the yes architect level because architect the name says that it implied that you are at a top level, high level. That is architect. That to solution architect, technical solution architects are there, functional solution architects are there. They have 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus years experience. They are aware of in and out. They can give the roadmap to the project also. They are just guiding how the flow happens from SAP to non-SAP, how completely end-to-end solution. So I considered this as a high level. Completely, this could be our because but this is at subject side totally. Okay, subject point of view, we can grow like this, up and peak level. This will be our objective or goal or target, we can say. Second, few are moving towards techno-functional also, technical plus functional consultant. That is another kind of role, techno-functional. So that you can work in ABAP also, functional also, or functional with ABAP also, both. Right. Okay. Next, some other guys, they do PMP certification, project management certification. Yes. Project management profile, PMP certification, and as a part of PMP, we have nowadays Agile is a project implementation model, Agile and Scrum. Yes, this is the latest on demand. Yes, uh, project management tools and techniques or methods or methodologies, we can say that. So this is another Scrum Master positions are there, Agile positions, PMP professions. But this is helpful to whom if we want to become as a engagement manager, okay, or we can go for delivery manager, okay, or else we can go for our project manager. Yes. Because they are aware of how the internationally these projects runs completely. Because last year even I tried to do PMP certification, I completed, but finally the exam result was negative. Yes, I was unable to clear in first attempt, but I have not tried with second and third attempt. But conceptually, I have put efforts, constant efforts for 3 to 6 months completely. I have formally gone through the syllabus that hours. Then after that, I appear for that certification. Then on the scheduled date, I gave the exam as well completely. It's a international. At that time, I came to know how the projects gets executed internationally, globally. It is not only IT projects, non-IT projects also, because that is a different world altogether, completely project management. So this is another area, because some people they don't want to continue with technical or functional over a period of time. Out of their interest, they'll move on to the jump to, okay, this particular area. This is another type of things, right? There are few others where they come to training, okay, or teaching or mentoring, okay, yes, mentor or guide, okay, yes, these are all similar kind of. This is another vertical. They can be SME, subject matter experts also, right? So this is they can, every company, large size company, training is evergreen stream, just like development and project management. Similarly, uh, out of their passion, they have the knowledge sharing skills, capabilities, interest, and so this is also one of the area. Completely, we can learn the courses, we can give trainings to the freshers, our project members. Okay, yes, this is also important. We can be a trainer or mentor also. Yeah. Final, yes, there is a division. Every company have L&D, learning and development division. SMEs really, we cannot become SME overnight. SME must have complete project exposure with implementation support project. Over a period of time only we reach to the SME level, because to prepare slides, PPTs on particular topic is not a simple task. Okay, that's why this is also few guys chooses that particular area. Okay, then few other areas are there like this. Uh, like you heard about the positions called as CEO and the CFO, COO, etc. Like that. Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Operational Officer, etc. This is another kind of designations positions. Okay, you can keep it as a final target if you want to be. Yes, that is type of vertical. We can say that. Okay. Next, we can some other after project manager, then they'll go to VP as a vice president to, then the next level they'll go to director, director to senior director. Okay, this is another type of plan. Okay, then the board members. Okay, you can be a part of the company board members. Finally, you can be a part of that steering committee member. Okay, yes. Like where you can do the high level decisions, etc. Okay, yes. So this is like this way we can plan our career. See, if you look at here, we are started with the technical, but going forward, we are acting like a some kind of at one level we have to do lead roles, some additional skills required, manager roles, additional skills required, architect complete apart from technical, functional, everything end to end we have to have knowledge. So but this is again up to you how we want to plan what. But I feel like I have lot of knowledge. I want to be at the subject side, because the subject through I want to grow even to architect level. That is the best plan. But some are they bored with subject, or they want to switch to another areas as their career dimensions. Also options are available. So many. Okay. So this is a kind of what I can say that kind of one approach. Okay. Maybe I missed something. You can add it here. Okay. So majority, as per my observations, these are all the things. Okay, we can uh, plan further. Okay, right. Next, what? How you want to be? a best employee, suppose best employee or best consultant. Then the second here is adhere to, that is stick to. Okay, we have to stick to the company policies because that's what, okay, company's policies are as compliance, okay, or rules, we can call it as simply. So there are many things are there. Yes. So first of all, we have to love our company, and we have to love our company and as well as company's policies also. It is the first one we have to have. And next, we have to stick to the company's guidelines. I mean to say, we have to be in a number one to follow all kind of rules and policies of the organization. First, the thing starts from your like our attendance, because nowadays attendance mandatory attendance. If it is hybrid model, how many days you have to, company to company it differs. Attendance, not only attendance, your presence. Okay, how many hours you are spending in the office also. Presence in office. Okay, this is also nowadays we are counting. If there is a violation, then that is not. It will affect on our uh, year-end review and also many. So first and the foremost thing is as per company's policies, these two. Okay. Then there are certain mandatory learnings are they are assigning based on our positions. Some learning hours. So virtual learnings and all. So this is we have to finish the this particular trainings within the given deadline also. That is also they are considering, yes, mandatory. Then if we move on, apart from, because we have to be the, what is that, obviously we are part of project only. So in the projects we have to perform well in the project, because that will be the, yes, top performer, we can keep it, okay, as a subset goal further level, because yes, whatever we tagged to the particular project. Okay, yes. This is important. That is our core part, core job to work in a project. Account, which account we are working, which project we are working. Yes, this is, there are two types of trainings and learnings. One is normal, our company specific trainings, learnings, and the second, client specific trainings and learnings are there. Just like a cyber security learnings are there. Okay, many kind of posh, so many trainings they are assigning them. And stick to our company policies, adhere to, okay, follow those things. And as well as our project point of view, some guidelines are there. Initially, they will give the project timelines, also everything. We have to adapt and work on the particular areas are also most important. Yes. So next, we can say one is we learn those things. Then again, we, if you are at a high level, you can conduct interviews also. This is because there was a question to me that apart from your core work, what will be your extra contribution to the company? So extra contribution in the sense, we, yes, these are all other areas are all there. Those are all considered in the review only, year-end review only. All are additional contribution, definitely additional benefits. Okay. Yeah. So we can allocate some time to conduct interviews to the freshers or experienced people and all. There is a separate department. They will tag 2 hours. They will share their profiles. In the face-to-face interview or scheduled interviews, we can conduct it. So conducting interviews, yeah, enhances our knowledge. Will come to know the people psychology, people knowledge levels. Many things I learned personally There is a separate course also there how to conduct interview also. So this is what are the factors to be considered while conducting interviews. And this is also one type of unique skills. Right. Okay. Yes, that is one thing. Second is sharing like a knowledge. That is in a project. That is nothing but knowledge transfer sessions also. Yes. Suppose your entire project experience, you can share it to the team members. Or else, particular in Deloitte, we have this concept task by task, object by object. You have to prepare the slides, PPT, the deck, then come and present in front of team members so that what was the initial requirement, what was the gap and why this requirement came into picture, and finally what are the things we developed it, uh, which approach to all those stuff and all, then finally how it works in a what are the factors coding standards you verified in the program, and performance whether it is working or not, that is also important. All those complete end to end slides, even the test cycles, that documentation till end user document completely from the beginning to end. We can prepare slides, show and all explain to others. This is what happens. We will get good command on that particular. Once we explain to one our team, that remains permanent in our memory. It will help us to wherever required. We can help. We can explain in the same manner even in the interviews also. Okay. So this is a kind of knowledge sharing sessions or knowledge transfer sessions, KT. Generally, KT is a word used in other areas. That is when employee leaves. Okay, a new employee comes. The previous employee will give KT transition to the new employee. These are all the things I developed it. These are all open points. And this is how the standards and all we have to incorporate all those stuff. That is also KT area we can call it as, right? So that is uh, one thing. Next, okay, we can be a part of the critical team also. This is okay. Yes. So what is the meaning of critical resources? Hmm? Part of critical team and critical resource. This is very yes. Suppose if you go to some in multi-specialty hospitals, there is a critical care team is there. That is, there are certain doctors, normal general doctors, but there is a specialized areas, expert level. Yes. Okay. Here also you can become best or expert is the best word we will use it. Expert level, uh, like team is there in the doctors. They once they come in, they charge more, but they will try to save the life because that is critical care team. Okay, hospitals maintains that very specialized areas and high qualified experience expertise doctors. That similar concept here in IBM follows this. Suppose we are facing a issue, we are unable to solve at our level. We tried as a team, our team lead tried, everyone involved at our level. We are unable to solve those issues at our level. Then finally we can reach out to the critical team. They will involve and they will try to resolve those tickets or those open points are the issue where we are facing currently. That is, this is a kind of experience and expert zone completely. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is again very important. I told you, you can act like a SME support also. SME support means we have one group like where any critical task comes, they will pull in. Like this is the task. If you have this expertise, please come and help us. So when once we are helping anyone, any project members, the right time, critical time, that is really very add-on career. Okay, yes, SME subject support or project support also. Then we can act like a buddy also. The buddy concept is there in every company. That is nothing but the freshers, college freshers, campus hired freshers when they come into company, they have lot of confusions. They have lot of confusions. Okay, then okay, if any questions comes, they can approach to us. Okay, so 15-20 members, one person is tagged as a buddy, as a senior consultant. So what happens, any kind of policies concerned, leaves concerns, or any doubts they have, whom to contact, what is the mail ID, all those stuff. This is a kind of, this is also added advantage. We year end review, it will be added. Yes. Okay. Next, there is a one concept called as, if you want to become success, what will be your you can keep goals and achieve it. That is, keep goals in the sense, when year starts, we have to set the goals. Okay, yes, set the goals, and again track the goals, track it and fulfill it. Track and fulfill it or achieve it completely. So that is, suppose I want to do certifications, additional certifications. This is our goal. Or I want to, uh, yes, we have to be a good team player also. Okay. There are some kind of mm, skills are there. Just learning new skills also. New skills also, that is considered as a achievement completely. Right. See, company always recommends to be, you have to be up to date, upskilling. Okay, knowledge upskilling purpose. If there are ready-made internal portals are there, we can learn it, you can use it. Even companies recommends, okay, yes, I told you right. We have a learning portals. We can use outside learning portals or internal company learning portals also. There are so many ready-made recordings are there. We can refer it, or else we can attend virtual seminars also. Direct seminars or virtual webinars are also we can. Okay, yes, this is also learning, upgrading. This is high priority because companies are always recommending that we have to be up to date. When we are certified, that is the added benefit to the company, so that we can represent. He is a certified, he or she, or these are all certified people recommending to the company. So this is like we can keep goals and achieve it. Yes, this is also one of the tracking. They'll ask what type of goals you set at the initial level and how did you achieve it, or whether you achieved it or not, or if not, what are the reasons on this. So all this tracking happens. So now, not only the subject point of view, there are certain goals. Uh, there are sorry, new skills also, kind of stress management, team building skills, how to overcome the fear and all, public speaking skills, and moreover, we have goal setting, time management. That is, those are all comes under power skills. Okay, so one is technical skills, subject wise certification. Second is some power skills also, some PMP certification or Agile certification also. So there are multiple ways. Are any learning new, okay, new language also. Yes, this is also uh, SAP companies will support all those stuff. That is, one is self upskilling. Second is sharing the upskilled knowledge to in the project also or in the team member also. Both directions we can uh, plan it. So this way we can keep on engaging with ours. Okay. Yes. And moreover, we have certain guidelines we have to follow. Yes, because main nowadays the most important is cyber security guidelines. Okay, every year we do this type of course is there. How do we protect our laptop from hackers? Okay, yes, because some kind of spam mail, junk mail came which from unknown source. How do we recognize it? And there is a threat from the hacker. Who is a hacker? Hacker is a person or team. They enter into our company environment. They steal our information, secrets, privacy. That's very, very. So we have to protect it. That's why companies are recommending to work in their particularly okay with their laptop only. Within that laptop also, we cannot open company laptop, all those stuff. Okay, Gmail, or yeah, even YouTube and all. Certain sites strictly prohibited. It is restricted over there. So we have to stick to all type of guidelines provided for security standpoint also important. Okay, so there are many because just we are giving a discussion in a 2 3 dimensions, but we can also discuss other areas also. Okay, yes, we can keep in mind. Okay, so this is our first. What will be the position designation point of view we have discussed. Then this is the roles, responsibilities point of view also we have to. Yes. So right? Then we can work on offshore development center or on-site train place also. That is where you are working from. So we have to follow the s- complete guidelines provided everywhere. We have policies, 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 all international companies. So we have to follow those things. It definitely will be a best employee award. You will get it. Best consultant also. You will get it. Yes. So if we have to, right. Okay. Like yes, active participation in project. This is most important. Okay, in the project. So project means in project what we do. Generally, we have to attend daily stand-up meetings. Okay, daily yes, meeting at fixed time. They will just in stand-up meetings, what did you yesterday, what you want to do today, and what are all the any kind of issues we are facing currently. Yes, what are you are planning to do today also, you'll explain that. This is everyone will talk. They unmute, they'll explain their it's a kind of 15 to 20 minutes call. All team members must attend and will come to know who is working on which task, which object, all those stuff. Then there is a weekend review meetings are there. Review meetings. It could be weekend or 15 days or every alternative days also depends. So in the review, they will go with a completely review of the entire past, where we are, what is the current status, when we will move to the next levels. Our reasons also will be discussed. Any lack, any gap. Yes, then how do we fulfill that and all? It will be addressed. Okay, so apart from our core work in the project. Okay, this is attending meetings and all. That is our yes main task. The mail communications are also we have to communicate and communicate. So multi skills required to work in a level 5 environment, and every skill we will learn and adapt it. That's it. Okay, yes, on the ongoing journey we will do that. This is another set of discussion. Next, we will move on to the next level. That is, we consider as some kind of we can say gaps are kind of concerns, okay, are there concerns? Yes, some kind of issues also we can say that. What are the things? Because when we work with a system, laptop or desktop, we don't get any problem. Working with system is very easy. But when we work with people, obviously team, because team through only we can deliver any project. So we come across lot of issues with this thing. Suppose there is a general question: how do we plan for a career? Career plan is also a skill. Okay, planning career. That means how many years you want to work in current company, when you want to switch to company. That is a major decision. Shifting project, shifting company, switch to company also. There is a how do you showcase yourself for the career gap also sometimes. Okay, gap is also how you are going to address the career gap. Then we have to. There is a one more. This thing comes as a like the planning only we can find it here. Like uh, yes, some type of attitude issues also we are getting. Like team member to okay, yes, another team member uh, problems. Team lead to team member problems. Okay, lead to member or manager to team member. So many because relationship these type of issues and all some kind of understanding issues and all some kind of wrong project tagging and all. So daily there are a number of things are there. Okay, there is somebody want to take a U-turn. U-turn in the sense we want to shift our career or shift our project, shift switch a company. So these are all very, very, very important in our employment career completely. How, okay, we are going to address those things also very, very important. Okay, like leave management or leave policies, how we have to address those things. Okay, so while working in the live project also, in the company also, we come across a number of things like, okay, yes, there are certain okay, dress code policies also there. Some companies strictly they are very strict in that. Okay, a number of policies they defined it. But some we may like, we may not like, but still we have to accept. So here, like yes, like harassment also. This is one of the in posh course they covered in detail. How do we come out of this and all those policies? Because employee management is a really tough task everywhere, right? So here, but even I don't want to discuss a lot of these factors. Even there are, we will get guidance inside also or outside also. Yes. So there are some kind of because I used to follow. Yes, there is a organizational psychologists are there. Okay. Yes, they closely guide us completely. How do we overcome all those stuff? Because everywhere employment, employee issues, so many are customers, client issues, client concerns, are working in shift wise. Okay, so many things are load balance issues also because what that is called as bandwidth issues also because everywhere employee issues are there. Okay, because in Wipro I saw there is a one box where Dropbox the name is Wipro listens. That is, the employees' concerns can be written for drop concerns over there. So they will go through it. They will come up with different policies. And so, but I came to know how to overcome many things with one of the organization psychologists. Just I am giving as a reference. You can also refer it. You might have heard about Kavita Gudipati. Yes. Okay. Organization psychologist. Psychologist. Okay. This is okay, if you go to okay, one second. Hmm, okay, you can refer to this. So, okay. So she is, you can see her certified coach, family and business advisor. So they have done psychology courses, management courses. So they their counseling courses, career point of view, counseling point of and number of things. Okay, people handling completely. So we can seek guidance or get guidance from this type of experts. Okay, they she has done a lot of podcasts also. Yes, this is only mostly in Telugu. You can refer to this. This is from the last 20 years. I'm following this in Enadu newspaper. We will get question and answers. So I used to, yes, okay, leadership coach also. They are, you can get the guidance. Then second, I want to give a referral finally and today's session. Like I got one more. Yes, we can be a yes, because if you want to be a best performer, one is SME, I said right. Then apart from the technical SMEs, we can develop, we can be a blogs also, we can write it. Subject specific, okay, blogger, okay, blog creation. That is providing one type of awareness. A number of blogs are there and a number of topics. So where I got lot of guidance, I learned many things because initially when we started this type of guidance, whom to approach certain things, we obviously we need some kind of guidance, career planning guidelines and all. Or if any issue comes, whom to discuss and all. Right. So here, because how I explain all these things, I'm also following certain blogs and all, senior expert guidance. And as well as these are all out of my experience also, I'm sharing all this knowledge. It's a kind of awareness you can continue and follow also. There is a one more senior and FICO consultant also. Yes, it's really is what is his name is yeah, Shankar. Mostly our Telugu people only. Ravi Shankar Venna. Yes, I read any n number of articles. Okay, Ravi Shankar Venna. You go and Google, you search it. Definitely, you will get it. Yes, SAP community member. Okay. Yes, you can. Yes, he is the person. See, actually, if you look at here, he is basically a ICWAI guy. And he was actually, if you look at his profile, we will get shocked actually. Lot of experience, lot of SAP press books he read. He achieved like a top performer in different countries. He has done lot of implementations. N number, okay, it's a really most inspirable. There are many people are there, but I got many inputs while reading his blogs and all completely. So he guided how we want to continue our journey, how to be a good expert consultant, what will be the roadmap to the next level, and all. Really, he guided like anything. So this is the rating, kudos rating in the SAP. So SAP community, he is the best contributor also. Yes, you can. Even he is there in LinkedIn also. Yes, like we can follow his Facebook also is there, and moreover, yes, like I gone through personal. One second, one second. We get it here. No, this is leading to another page. I was reading in depth his experience and all. How many certifications he completed. Yes, so he's a independent SAP mentor, consultant and mentor FICO, SVM, BW, solution manager, NetWeaver security, FI integration, management accounting, SC. See the profile itself. Okay, yes, this is what I want to show you. So he is a regular contributor. Okay, you can look at this site, HTTPS. This is the See, you can see here how many certifications he has done in SAP. Okay, financial certifications mostly because he is from FICO background, VWBI solution manager and all. There's so many certifications: FICO security, SCM, BW, BI, PO, ECAT. CAT is a computer-aided testing tool. This is ECAT and SCAT we call it. So these are all list of certifications. Okay, and next uh, clients list. Even he mentioned directly he worked for these many clients list. Mostly all are global international clients. Okay, he actually uh, general organizational issues. Okay, concerns we can refer to organization cycle. But we want SAP inside guidance, expert guidance. He has mentioned a number of blogs. uh, I gone through, I got motivated. Okay, each and every points are also. So you can also bookmark it and you can refer it also further level. Then there is a one more, one of my student suggested colleague also. Yes, that is, he is also a very good contributor in LinkedIn. Uh, Karanam Sridhar actually. Okay, Sridhar, a CO consultant. Okay, SAP SAP CO consultant. Yes, he is good at this one. Okay, yes, Karanam Sridhar. Udemy courses are also there. Subject matter. You can refer to his courses also. Yeah, he is a best contributor in LinkedIn. He is a freelancer also. Yes, you can. Yes, Udemy courses. You see about me. 22 years of total experience, which include SAP, non-SAP, 16 years of FICO, HANA. Okay, yes, these many, okay, six implementations. Yeah, okay, total, sorry, 15 plus 15 implementations. And so you can see this experience, expert level. He is also posting his CO expert, in fact. Okay, you can follow this. Is Okay, follow his page also. Yes, etc. etc. So even we can find some ABAP technical expertise links also. These are all related to FI and CO. Okay, you can also go through it and uh, yes, we'll discuss that part in our discussions upcoming also. Okay, so hope you got little guidance on entire end to end. Okay, yes. Anyone have any questions? Because whatever the
Session is very valuable, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Because whatever the knowledge or experience I have, I just shared it. You can also, this is a journey because this is going to extend like anything. You also have experience. You also enjoy and continue and achieve it. Okay. So, any questions, discussion points? Hope this will useful to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the session today. Yeah. Okay. Thank you all.